What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Hope you doing fine. Y'all know why I'm making it. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking, subscribing, so you don't miss any future videos. Today, we're going to do up some skirt steak on the Santa Maria grill attachment for the Weber. We're also going to try this carne asada marinade from Topatillo. I got this from Walmart. It says it only takes 30 minutes and your steak will be properly marinated. Well, we're going to test that theory. See how well this steak tastes with flavor. We're also going to put the seasoning from a Fuego Lento, their carne asada. We already know how well this tastes, so we're going to see how much extra flavor this Topatillo carne asada marinade imparts into that meat. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and begin. I'm going to put our skirt steak in. I got a little over a pound of skirt steak. Now we're going to go ahead and start pouring in our marinade. It smells like Worcestershire sauce mixed with some taco seasoning. That's the best way I can describe it. Currently, my geese are fighting. So, they're having a grand old time while I shoot this video. We're going to go ahead now and stick this in the fridge for the next half an hour while this steak marinates. And during that time, I'm going to go ahead and separate the geese and maybe strangle one or two of them. We're going to go ahead and start up. We got raw charcoal in here. Alright, and we're back. It's been a little over 30 minutes. The goose drama was Big Boy stole Oogie's woman. So Oogie is right now sulking. Side's a little thicker, so it's going to take a little bit longer to cook. We're going to go ahead and throw on some of that Fuego Lento carne asada rub. Although this skirt steak definitely smelled very beefy and smelled a lot of Worcestershire sauce and got a nice taco smell to it. Best way I could describe it. But this Fuego Lento seasoning has in it some kosher salt, garlic, black pepper, onions, chili powder, paprika, cumin, red pepper, chili picante, and spices. So we're going to let that sit for a second while we get the grill up to temp. We're going to go ahead and throw on some post oak wood chunks. Seeing as this is going to be a very fast cook, we don't need to throw on a big log. I'm going to throw on a good bit because I want a nice oaky smell and flavor to it. That's good for the moment. Let that start catching for a quick second before we go ahead and start throwing on the meat. And as you can see, the wood has caught fire. Big Boy's upset for some ungodly reason. We're going to go ahead and throw that on. Might have to adjust the grill down a little bit. But we're going to let this ride at this present stage before we go ahead and start throwing on the vegetables. Let them get their little char going on there too. Now, as you can see, I've got flames coming up, licking the meat. We're going to go ahead and adjust the meat higher. So that way it's out of the direct flame hitting the meat. But we're still getting the meat being cooked from the other side from the heat of the coals and the wood burning And we're letting that smoke kiss the meat. We're going to go ahead and throw in our vegetables. I got half of a red onion. I'm going to go ahead and throw on some of that Fuego Lentos seasoning. Half of a green bell pepper. And the bottom of the green bell pepper. Just because it's the bottom don't mean it ain't good. Fat bottom girls make the roar go round. It's been cooking on this side for about 2 minutes. We're going to go ahead now and flip it over. Let it cook on this side. It's smelling so good. We're going to kiss this side a little more with some of that Fuego Lento seasoning. Let all that salt, pepper, garlic just melt into the meat. We're going to go ahead and pull this skirt steak. We're going to drop these vegetables down some, so that way they can start charring up. It's rested for at least 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and cut it. I need to sharpen this knife. This isn't my normal knife that I use. This is a regular kitchen knife. We're going to cut it into sections. Now, one thing about skirt steak, you cut it against and we're done. Literally takes no time at all. I know I say that in a lot of my videos, but I like it that way. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you know I got some health issues, so I gotta keep them short and to the point. And well, that's that. But anyway, let's go ahead and do this taste test. Looking mighty fine. I can smell some citrus notes on it. Definitely that Worcestershire sauce. Smells real good. Some chili powder. Oh yeah. Definitely, if it's in your Walmart, pick it up. Made a little fajita taco. So good. Highly recommend it. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day. So good.